The Etihad Stadium is getting a serious upgrade and it's happening fast. If you've been keeping an eye on Manchester City's home ground, you'll want to see what's next. From massive new roof trusses to a full-on entertainment hub, this is more than just a stadium expansion, it's a transformation. Whether you're a City fan or just love seeing how world-class stadiums come to life, there's a lot to see here. Let's break it down step by step, and trust me, the scale of this project is going to surprise you. Welcome back to Giga Structures. If you're someone who enjoys watching stadiums rise from the ground, evolve into something better, or just love how these massive structures come together, you're in the right place. Today's update is all about the Etihad Stadium, and it's a big one. Manchester City is working on a huge redevelopment project that goes way beyond adding seats. It's turning the Etihad campus into a full-blown destination. We're talking about more seating, new fan experiences, a hotel, and even spaces for families and young fans. Every little detail has been thought through, and we're going to walk through all of it. So stick around. This is something every football and stadium fan should see. So, what exactly is happening at the Etihad? The club is currently expanding the north stand of the stadium. One of the biggest recent milestones was the installation of massive roof trusses on top of the third-tier extension. This new level is being added right above the current two-tier stand, giving fans a clear idea of what the finished project will look like. The plan is to open the new 6,000-seat third tier in January 2026. It'll kick off with a few test events, and if all goes smoothly, the rest of the development will follow later that year. That includes a brand new hotel, a fan zone that's full of life, and even a club museum. The vision here isn't just to expand capacity, it's to create a full-on experience for visitors, even on non-match days. Exciting, right? Let's talk about how they're actually building this thing. The third tier is sitting above the existing structure for now, and it already looks impressive in all the drone footage and time-lapse videos that are out there. But what's really smart is the way it's being done. The new roof is currently being supported by temporary structures while it hangs above the old one. Once all the steel is in place and everything's secured, the old roof will be removed, and the new one, which stands much higher, will be seamlessly connected to the east and west stands. That takes a lot of planning and coordination. This isn't just about making things bigger, it's also about building smarter. The engineering here is clean, efficient, and well thought out. Every element, from steel support to final seating arrangements, is being handled with precision. That's what makes this upgrade stand out. But this project isn't stopping at the stadium. Behind the new north stand, work is already underway on a brand new hotel. Manchester City has teamed up with the Radisson Hotel Group to create what will be known as the Medlock Hotel. This place isn't just for football fans either. The hotel is designed to support people attending concerts and events at the nearby Co-op Live Arena. So the idea is to turn the entire Etihad campus into a vibrant area that's buzzing all year long, not just on match days. This new space will include more than just hotel rooms. There'll be food, entertainment, and other services that make it a go-to spot, whether there's a game on or not. Think of it like a football stadium meets entertainment complex, something like what you'd see in the US with major sports teams. It's a smart move for both the club and the local area. More foot traffic, more business, and a better fan experience overall. Let's talk numbers. This whole redevelopment is costing around $300 million. That's a huge investment, but it's one that's going to make a big impact. Once the expansion is complete, the Etihad Stadium will hold more than 60,000 people. That makes it one of the biggest stadiums in the Premier League. But this isn't just about fitting in more fans. The goal here is to make the stadium better for everyone, more modern, more comfortable, and more inclusive. This new section is being built with people in mind, and it's packed with features that will make match days better for all kinds of supporters. So yes, the numbers are big, but the vision is even bigger. City isn't just building more seats, they're building a better experience. That's something you don't always see with stadium upgrades, and it really makes this one stand out. Now here's where it gets really interesting. The new north stand won't just be about adding more seats. It's being designed with fans in mind, especially those who often get overlooked when it comes to stadium design. There will be special seating areas just for junior fans, group tickets for visitors, and even spaces meant for schools or community programs. That's not something you see everywhere. Plus, there'll be a big food court, lots of open areas to hang out in before the game, and different types of tickets, including cheaper options for younger supporters. They're even adding break areas and prayer rooms. There's going to be an alcohol-free zone too. That's perfect for families or anyone who wants a different kind of matchday vibe. All of this shows how much thought has gone into making the stadium more inclusive. It's not just about packing in more fans, it's about giving every fan a better experience. Whether you're bringing your kids to their first game or you just want a quieter section to enjoy the match, City wants everyone to feel welcome. That's a huge win. Of course, not everything is perfect. Some fans have raised real concerns about ticket pricing in the new stand. There's been some frustration over how season tickets are being handled and whether regular supporters will actually be able to afford the new seating options. These concerns have sparked a bit of tension between the club and parts of the fan base. And while the new features are exciting, these issues do need to be addressed if the expansion is going to be a true success. It's a reminder that even the most impressive projects have their challenges. You can build the best stadium in the world, but if the people who love the team can't afford to be there, it misses the point. Let's hope the club listens and finds a way to strike the right balance. Because when fans are happy, everything else falls into place. So that's where things stand at the Etihad right now. This expansion is already taking shape, and the next year is going to bring even more progress. The new third tier, the hotel, the fan zones, it's all part of a larger plan to turn the Etihad campus into one of the most complete football destinations in the world. From construction techniques to thoughtful fan features, this project shows what's possible when a club puts its supporters at the center of the design. Yes, there are still things to improve, and especially around ticket access, but overall, this is shaping up to be one of the most exciting stadium upgrades in the game today. If you're a fan of football architecture, modern stadium design, or just love keeping up with the biggest construction stories in sports, this is definitely one to watch. Thanks for watching today's update on the Etihad Stadium expansion. If you're enjoying this kind of content, don't forget to hit that like button. It helps us out more than you know. And make sure to subscribe so you never miss an update from us here at Giga Structures. We've got more stadium projects coming your way, from Europe, Asia, the Americas, and everywhere in between. Whether it's a brand new build or a huge renovation like this one, we cover it all. Drop a comment below and let us know. What do you think of Manchester City's expansion plans? Are you planning to check it out when it opens in 2026, or is there another stadium you're more excited to see finished? We'll be back soon with another video packed with more updates, more builds, and more amazing structures from around the world. This is Giga Structures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.